No matter what your dream is, Spectrum Business can connect you to it. That's life unlimited.
At Progressive, we don't believe in a cookie-cutter approach to career growth and development. The roles within our walls
back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk. Whoa, I was chasing my glory, then fell asleep. Woke me up and told me to go feed the sheep. Sent me deep in the streets just to bring them peace. Yeah, we be where them blickies be bustin', where they enjoy life with no discussion. But as soon as they see the light rushing, they know that the Lord walking with us, no bluffing. People say that I'm fake, I'm like, okay. Do you walk in the light or you throw shade? 1 more sex on my skin, I got no shame. We was preaching about Jesus before fame. Get it? Did that. On my side, yeah, he been that. That's the devil where my sins at. On the cross, cause he pinned that. Big throne where he sits at. That hit him, then he hit back. Resurrected, yeah, that's big facts. Told us hold it down till he get back. Get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah, walk with me. Step in the scene with the fly, had to keep it so steady, don't fall for the fox. Had to cut out the session, he got in the crop. Hold up, spiritual weapons when miracles happen. I'm never surprised cause it got. Ain't serving no Hannah Montana, ain't switching my banner like David, we swinging the rock. We kicking this beating, why serve you sure? Even if it mean I'm bleeding. Come kill my flesh, my soul still breathing. Speak through me.
Yo.
This heart keep beating, these lungs keep singing. Come and step into the kingdom, for the ones mistreated. To the day we see them, this feel like the moment we seeking. The day we can sing up the water, get freedom to walk.
All right. What up, chat?
I walk. We walk, get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah.
All right. Welcome in. All right. How y'all doing? Happy Friday. Welcome back to another New York session. We are here. We are live. We have some news coming in, and life is good. What up, DT Gamer? What up, Shelly? What's good? Only Bands in the house. What up, Carolina? Louis G in the building. YOLO Trader is in the house today. What up, YOLO? Z Gamer is in the house. What up, Z Gamer? What's up, James? Amen. What's up, Daniel? We got Daniel in the house. Okay. What's up, SG80? What up, Richard Lewis, bringing the truth to us here today. What's up, White Hats in the building? Adam 8 Figs in the house. What up, Adam? What's up, AJ? Good morning, Stevie Mac. What's up, Christian? Stephen B is back. Let's get it. What's up, Queen B? Queen B in the house. What's up, Energy? What up, Mr. Lopez? What's up, Cannon? Emmanuel Vargas in the building. What's up, bro? What's up? All right, let me get this out. Share my screen. How y'all doing today? Everybody good? Everybody doing good? Happy Friday to you. Hopefully you guys have had a good week so far. How's everybody's week been? Let me know. What's up, Maiko? Yo. What up, Ecom Dre? J-Sun C in the house. Happy Friday, guys. Happy Friday. What up, J Mac? All right, Zoom link is good. We are all set there. Let's do this. If you guys aren't in our free Discord, you could join the free Discord here. Just hit !Discord so you can get the link. Come join the community. There's almost 9,000 traders in there. And it's a great Discord, all free. Let me minimize it. Let's do this. Let's lower the music and let's go ahead and get started. You guys ready? Ready to roll on this lovely Friday. It is Friday. It is the 27th. I believe it's probably the last day of the month here for us. Let's go ahead and pray. Let's give thanks for what a blessed month it was, man. What a blessed month. So let's give thanks for that real quick, and then we're going to go ahead and get started. Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you for just an amazing month, Lord. We thank you for being with us, that your spirit dwells amongst us, Lord, that your spirit works within us, that you've been just revealing your plan and just showing people the vision that you have for their life, Lord. We thank you for it. We thank you for giving us solid ground to run on, solid ground to plant our seeds in, Lord. We just give you all the glory for such a blessed month, Lord, and we ask for your blessing going into the new month. We thank you and give you all the glory in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen, amen. What a great month it's been. What a great year it's been so far. And yeah, let's close out this month strong. It is the 27th here of September, and we are going to get started. It's another day, another opportunity for us to be disciplined and professional, right? What up, Max? What up, hero of the day? What's good? What's good? What's good? Yanosh. What up, Josh? So yeah, so it's an opportunity for us here to hang out, chill out, talk about things that matter, watch the markets, be observers, and if opportunities come our way, we'll go ahead and strike. All right, so that's what we're going to do here today. Again, one more time, it is the 27th. It is Friday. We've got some news here in front of us, so let's take a look at that. We've got 8:30 coming in here. We're going to have the core PCE price index, the month to month here. So that's what we got mainly when it comes to the red folders. That's pretty much what I'm waiting on here for a position. Just waiting on 8:30, waiting for that news to come out, and then I will get my trading started again. We've already taken 2 trades in the London session, both successful trades, and now we move into the New York session. So again, only red folder here today, but if you look, we're all up in the news here today. So everything else revolves around the US dollar. It should be a pretty volatile day, and we'll be here. You know, we'll be here watching, observing, and when our opportunities come, we will pull the trigger. So that is what we got going on. Let's go ahead and check some technicals. If you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like real quick. Give the stream a like. Amen's in the chat. Let's go. What a work the Lord is doing. Praise God. Praise God. Let's go ahead and open up the charts here, and let's talk about gold. Let's talk about gold here. So taking a look at the daily time frame, right? So we got the daily time frame in front of us. Let's just track back a little bit, right? We've got this support that has been formed, a couple days ago. I think it was last week. We have this support here that was formed. We've been basically pushing up ever since. We had this one bearish candle, but obviously it was pretty weak. It was pretty undecided, and wasn't really able to hold strong, right? Yesterday's candle closed pretty strong bullish, and today, we're looking at this. So right now we're potentially making that bottom wick for this daily candle. So all I know is that gold is extremely bullish, right? And if the low here can respect the previous low, and this candle breaks the current candle high, then we should move up and we should fill that wick here today. So I am very bullish based off of the daily time frame here on gold. We're waiting for a resistance, right? But until we actually get a candle closing bearish, I can't really be bearish yet, right? We're just extremely bullish here on gold. So all in all, you can say that we did create somewhat of a minor support, a new support there. And again, if the candle here, this current daily respects the lows, flips up, we should see that wick get filled here today. So we do have that red folder coming out in about 10 minutes, 11 minutes. So we'll see what happens there. Let's scale down to the 4 hour, and let's take a look at what the 4 hour is doing. So this 4 hour has been moving down, right, in the anticipation that this here could be the daily candle's bottom wick, right? That's that bottom wick we're talking about. So if you end up getting some sort of like bullish closure here, then we can say, hey, the direction may begin to move up, right? So right now we are pretty bearish on the 4 hour chart, although we are tapping into this support, right? So take a look at this. The last 3 4 hour candles, right? Number 1 comes down. Number 2 comes down a second time. Number 3 attempts to see if it can fill the wick and break the lows. And if it doesn't get through all of this, right, all of these wicks to the left, and it decides to turn around and move bullish, then there's a very high chance, right, that we move up. We close bullish here on the 4-hour, and then the next 4-hour candle starts ripping up here. So that's how that bullish move can potentially come about. Let's see what we do in this whole general support level here, and you know, go from there. So this 4-hour candle still has an hour and 39 minutes left on it. So let's take a look at the 1 hour here. 1 hour has created support as well, so you got a pretty nice support sitting right here on the 1 hour after a very clean rejection here to the downside. It looks like you did actually close above, so you did close above here on the 1 hour. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. Let's identify what this wick is, like these wicks right here, and see if there's any resistance that we need to be aware of. Okay, cool. So looks like you do have resistance sitting right here. You have not gotten a closure above it yet. If you do get a closure above, you have very clean range moving up to the left hand side that I do like, that I would enjoy participating in. And then you also have a support right here, right? So let's take a look at what that looks like on the 15. Yeah, 15 looks clean. So you might have a fake out here for price to begin to move back up. So let's see, what ranges can we use? We have, I like buys above here. Yeah, I like buys above. You finally get a closure above. As you can see, like, look how many times we've attempted to close above this range, but we were unable to do it, right? So that means if you finally get a candle to close above, we should be good to fill that range, because that candle that's going to close above is going to do what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 other candles attempted to do, and we're unable to do it successfully, right? So if you finally get a closure, all these wicks should get broken through and price should be good to move on up, as this daily candle is pretty bullish here today. So that is that's what I'm going to be looking at here on gold as of right now. Let's see if this is going to be a 15-minute fake out, and we'll go from there. Waiting on news here. So clean buys above 26.89 here on the futures chart. You do have a very, very clean 65 pip range here. So I like it. Now we wait. TTW. Boom. Yeah, sells for today. I'm not too interested right now in sells. Got too much going on down here. Too much. Plus our 4-hour is now flipping bullish here. So we'll see what happens. Sells don't look the greatest. As you can see, you would be selling right into that 4-hour wick area. You know, I like the buys here today. Cool. So that's the day. So if you want to just put a visual on it, just put, like, I don't know, range 2 sells below this range here, and then clean buys are sitting above this resistance here. Yeah. And that's all, folks. That's it. So we'll see if we can get a closure above. We got a big red folder coming in, so that should move the markets a bit, and then we'll see where the dust settles. What's good, Scott? What up, OGH? What up? London trades? Yeah, London trades were, okay, so let's go to the 15-minute here on London. So so during the London sesh, this 4-hour candle had moved down. We were trying to catch the fade right here. Right here. So we had an entry ready to go here, but I wanted to see this candle kind of like move down a bit, you know, like kind of create a bottom wick and move down a little bit before we set the buy stop, but it never did that. So price moved up, straight up right to where we wanted it to go. We had such a beautiful read, and that's how things are sometimes. You know, you're gonna have the perfect read, but you're not gonna have your setup to get in, right? So whatever, let that go. We noticed that candles closed with a nice rejection wick right here to this zone here. So this candle had made a lower wick, right? And it starts pushing up. And as it starts pushing up, we set a sell stop right here on this red candle. We broke the lows, we came down, we broke this low, moved stops to break even, closed full right here. So what we were paying attention to on this trade was this. See this over here? Right there. So once this red candle here tapped that area, close full. Full closure. So that was one trade. And then, you know, we were still bullish, right? But we were thinking, well, we don't want to take our buys here. We want to pull back first. So, and then we want a support to form. So that's where we took the impulse trade, the fade on the sell, and then we waited for our buys, right? So now this candle closed bullish, and then we took a buy right here. Point off support. I closed half, and then the rest of it got hit at break even. Yeah, and that was it. Those were the two trades. Then we pip and dipped. What's up, Zebs? No indicator, no nothing? Nothing. I've stopped using social media. Man, how much time I have now. Whoa. That's powerful, bro. That's powerful. Social media is a big waste of time, especially if you're not a creator and you're just a consumer. You're doomed. You're doomed, bro. They got you. Oh, man, the lights are flickering here. Holy. I'm talking too much. Yo, my lights are flickering a little bit. 3 minutes till news. That's right. What up, DJ Scratches? DJ Scratches. What up, AV Mike? Lazy Panda. Yeah, if you ain't creating and you're just consuming, you're donezo. You're donezo. I was thinking about doing a webinar. So, you know, if you don't have a personal brand, then you can't, nothing you create can go anywhere, right? So I was thinking about maybe on one of the webinars in the Clubhouse on one of the Saturdays that we do a webinar a little bit about personal branding. I want to help you guys out. There's going to be there is a new way that money is made, and it's not in your office job. I promise you that. So I want to help you guys out, teach you a couple things I've learned over the years. I've been building a personal brand online since 2016, believe it or not, talking to the camera, filming my day, filming my meetings. I'll start sharing some of that old content so you guys can see it a little bit, but yeah, it's done me very well. What's the meaning of the lines here? This is going to be buys above here closure. That's written right here. And then this just, I'm keeping this as a support. Just I want to see how price reacts down here. Not really interested too much in sells today. Or I'm sorry, not today, but right now. Just because we're right down here in this 4-hour wick area. So really not too interested in taking sells or anything like that. I'm anticipating the daily candle to potentially begin to move up, right? And break the highs and fill the wick. Since we are extremely bullish here on gold. Okay, 1 minute here for news. We'll see how the news comes out. What up, C Melly? Let's go, it's good. Hey, if you guys missed yesterday's stream, highly recommend going back. There was a lot of gems, especially towards the end there. Yeah, highly recommend going back onto yesterday's stream, rewatching that. A lot of good information there. Really. I don't think anyone's dropping information like that. But I can't tell you what it was. You got to go back and find it. Won't tell you what or where. That's going to be your job. Got to go dig for it, man. What's up, Gregski? Oh, Energy, welcome to the other side. Here we go. Here we go. Buys look amazing. They look amazing. We'll see. We'll see. I'm not going to enter on these news candles here, but I am anticipating this daily candle to potentially move up, but we'll see. How do you develop good habits and get rid of the old bad ones? You got to identify what the bad ones are, where they're hurting you. First, identify what you want, then identify what's in the way, and then what's in the way, you're going to call those bad habits. So you got to get rid of what's in the way in order to get to where you want to go, right? And in order to get that done, you're probably going to need some new habits. So you got to replace the old ones with new ones. Simple, you know, it's all based off of where you're trying to take your life. Yeah, so 15 closures here we look for, and if we get them and they're sitting tight here for us, then yeah, buys look super clean. Price may leave without us on this lovely red folder here. Daily non-negotiables, yeah, you gotta have those in. Yeah, you gotta have them in. Yeah, the power list. Yep. Write off like a checklist. Yeah, checklists are good. I actually do like checklists. Some people don't need them. Some people, it probably works really well with them. I personally do like a little bit of a checklist on a day-to-day basis. Otherwise, I can kind of just let the whole day blend right into, you know, everything else. So yeah. Yeah, and then the daily non-negotiables. You know, they get you closer to your goal. They're designed to make you better. You know, every day they might switch up a little bit. Some days might be a little bit different than others. But for the most part, they should be, in my case, they're typically like the same pretty much every day. They intertwine a little bit. Any good people to watch on YouTube? Absolutely, man. I really like so when it comes to trading, for mindset, I mean, for mindset, I would recommend Alex Morin. Alex Morin's pretty good. Alex Morin mindset. I've always liked listening to him. He's a young guy. I like Luke Belmar. Listening to Luke Belmar is always a good investment. Colin Yerkeson, my boy Colin's pretty good. I like him. He's got a lot of good content. What's mine today? So mine today, let's see. So I have listened to a podcast, compliment at least 5 people, go work out, and then yeah, just 2 other things for my business. So every day I like to listen to every day I like to compliment people. I just fell into that routine years ago. Just nice hat, man. You know what I mean? Just something, right? So I like to go around and purposely compliment people. Yeah, listen to podcasts. I usually listen to podcasts and work out every day. So random stuff, you know what I mean? Random stuff. It's random stuff that's going to make you feel good, work good, operate good. Yeah, one of the biggest things that ever helped me was actually complimenting people. You know, people skills are the best skill you can have, because no matter what you do, even though AI is like taking over, you're still for the most part having to interact with people, right? And people skills are probably the best skills that you can learn. Imagine some people really don't even know how to talk with somebody and look them in the eye, right? So you do that alone, you just separate yourself. You're at a whole nother level. You own the conversation at that point. Most people have conversations, they don't even listen to the other guy. So I just make it a point to, you know how you ever have a conversation with someone and you're just thinking of the next thing to say. You know, that's how most people do it. Not even listening to the person that they're talking to. They're just thinking about the next thing that they could say. So really listening to people and, you know, taking the time to compliment them and just practice that. That's something I've been doing for a long time. So I still do that today. We're juicing. Why not sample size in the 5? Just never felt the need to. Do I have a breakdown of all my trades? Absolutely. Every trade is recorded. Every trade is marked up in a journal, and then every trade also comes into the trade of the day channel in my Discord. So you can see all my trades here completely broken down. Every trade, win, loss, Asian, London, New York, you name it. They're all right here. And then they're all documented in my journal. Yes, I have a public journal right here. And you guys are more than welcome to download it, use it if you'd like. All trades have been recorded since last year's live stream. So the little gap down separates the years and or the year. And yeah, everything's recorded here. Yeah, most of them actually, I was pretty lazy and forgot to do it for most of the year, but yeah, most of them also have like you know, pictures of the trades and all that. So yeah. All right, Goldie filling the range here. Daily candle getting ready to break the highs, just as anticipated from yesterday's open at the during the Asian session. So we'll see. We'll see. We had a good read that price would fill that range. Just red folder news event that I really don't like participating in, but we'll see how we do. Worst case is we kind of close at the top, and then we wait for candles to retrace, and then we shoot back up. Simple, simple. What up, Jamil? Jamil. Did we get hooked up on Top Step TV? No, we're not gonna use anyone to hook us up on Top Step TV. We're just gonna do it with our actions and our results. So I set a goal about 3 weeks ago to get a Top Step account, to trade it, to make some noise, to trade with them, and see if we can pass it and then get on Top Step TV for a day or two. Get our little 15 minutes of fame? Get a little 15 minutes of fame on Top Step TV. Show them how we do it over there, how we trade gold. So moving along pretty well on this account. Up about 8,100 bucks. I believe the target is 9 grand, so almost there. Been trading pretty well. 2 red days so far, back to back. Other than that, been pretty decent. So started off hot and then kind of averaged out a bit here. Yeah, doing pretty well though. So maybe next week maybe next week we get this thing over. So anything can happen. So just gonna take it trade by trade and just, you know, day by day. But average trade about 11 minutes. RR is looking really much better. Looking like 2R at this point now. Yeah, almost 2R. It's been improving. Coach T has said everything is improving. So yeah. Yep. So that's the progress here. Just taking it trade by trade, playbook position after playbook position, wins, losses. I don't really care. Just letting the system do the work. How you doing? Oh, it's pleasant to listen to my soft voice, huh? I feel like my voice is scratchy, man. I'd be talking 24/7. Just talking. Yes, you know, what a year it's been. What a year it's been. It's been one heck of a year. This may be my best trading year to date, gang. I really do think it is. And it was a year that started off pretty rough, pretty rocky. But all in all, it was a good year. And again, it's just another example that it's not how you start, but how you continue on and finish that really matters, right? January and February weren't the greatest months coming out, you know, with high expectations. Hit a bit of a rough patch there, but just kept it moving. Made the tweaks, made the adjustments, got back on the horse, got my confidence back in March, started ripping again in April, started executing like crazy here in May, continued that in June, just went on an absolute tear in June. I don't even know how we took this many trades, but we took probably over 50 something trades there in June. Just went on a, just got hot, you know what I mean? And July just continued that momentum here. August was pretty good as well, and you know, September we're hitting a little bit of a September's not been bad. There's about 4 trades I have to mark up here. I got to do it this weekend, gang. I've been super busy here, but yeah, I have them all ready to go. Scott's got them all, so they'll all be in trade of the day, and they'll all go in here over the weekend. Yeah, but what a year, gang. What a year. Appreciate you guys being here, growing with me, learning with me. I'm no one special. I'm really not. I'm just a dude up in the square box up there with the microphone. Other than that, I'm just a trader that is learning, growing, just trying to make my way to the 8-figure point, and nowhere near special. Just, you know, here and trying to share the journey. What up, Xander? I'm just trying to be like Xander. Trust me. Trying to be like Xander. Yeah, all in all, yeah, it has been a really good month. I've really enjoyed opening up the Clubhouse this month and talking deeper about the lessons and getting on track and being on track together. You know, there's a group here of about 100 right now that are really on the same page. And that is fire. What up, C Melly? Difference between lot size and contracts? Nothing really, just the name. Other than that, like one contract here is a one lot. So one contract here would make it $10 a pip. So where's my tools here? So one contract, right, just equals 1.00. That's it. Just different terminology. Just like, what's the difference between pips and ticks. Literally just the name. Other than that, same thing. You know, it's different lingo in the futures market. Oh, let's go, Stephen B. You see that? You read Stephen B, man? That's what we're trying to put together here, right? Develop traders who begin to understand the game for real. And they want to get money, so they begin to focus on the game and not the money. Remember, the money's always trying to trick you and lure you in and get you to get all greedy and needy and all that. So you got to focus on being the best player in the game. There you go. Waiting patiently for your deal. I like that. I like it. Patiently waiting. Yeah, London was amazing. Once again, amazing London session. Had so much opportunity in London. Took 2 trades, both pretty successful trades. And there was other opportunities we just didn't get. The entries and all that. But yeah, it looks like we're filling this range now. So beautiful fake out there on the 15, and news took us right up. London money. Hey, I no longer have to just look at your trades and charts for stream. I can now participate in the London money. So we just gonna watch it go up. There's no we. There's you, there's I, and there's everyone else in here. I am just gonna go watch it go up because that's part of my plan. That's my system. I don't trade the news candle. But you can do anything you'd like, brother. Anything you'd like. You're over there, I'm over here. You know what I mean? But if you want exact results, and I mean exact results, and when I say exact results, I mean exact results as me, Nick Stewart, the trading guru here at Time to Eat Trading, and I mean exact results, join the Clubhouse. Look at this. I mean, it doesn't get more exact than this. 397.04. Clubhouse members making 397.04. Clubhouse members making 397.04. Join the program. Yo, chat. How did we all make 397.04? Can somebody please help me here? Understand this. Is it just a Clubhouse thing, or like I'm lost for words. Can someone help me? These are 3 different traders with 3 different entries and 3 different exits. And all 3 of us have the same exact P&L. That's a glitch. Yo, is that a glitch? I think we glitched the matrix here. Wow. Wow. So if you want to get exact results, like a guru like me, then join the Clubhouse. What are you waiting for? It's Friday. Don't let another day pass you by. Nobody knows nothing. Yo, that was wild. Nah, I'm honestly, all jokes aside, that blew my mind. That blew my mind today. Someone explain that to me. That's the true definition of copy trading. How come I can't join your Discord? You should be good. Just Hit exclamation point Discord. I don't think I updated the link, to be honest, on today's whatever, YouTube. So just hit exclamation point Discord and you'll be good. I used to trade Forex before. Yeah, I still do. I still have a CFD account, but yeah, I've been trading futures a lot more. Trading my own cash in futures and, you know, trading over here. Yo, that was wild. That's I'm not kidding. That's real. I have no idea how that goes down. Yeah, futures, in my opinion, is much better, especially if you live in New York. It's the U.S. It's a no-brainer. No-brainer. No spreads, no slippage, regulated brokers, chilling. That money protected. The money's never protected. Yeah, the big difference for me is has been, like I said, like the spreads, the no slippage. The spreads are very minimal to almost nothing. Like right now my spread is 0 pips, so 0.2. So it's very little. I have my own capital in a futures broker called Trade08. That is very good. You know, like withdrawals, deposits, very quick. I don't think it's ever took more than an hour to get money in or out of Trade08. So you can bypass crypto, do straight bank wires. There's a lot of good pros. Not many cons. You're also actually trading on the real chart, you know, paid data over here. So yeah, I like it better. What's it called? What's what called? Broker, maybe? Trade08? 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 Trade08. Daily candle getting ready to flip. Can it flip? Trade08 is nice because they'll allow you to hook it up to TradingView. So that's how I do it. It's pretty good. You buy the data and you buy the add-on to connect it to TradingView. It's like less than $15 a month and it works very nice, very smooth. What's up, Green? We missed you in London last night. It's alright, we know you'll be there maybe next week. Yeah, the cost is like I think it's like $12 or $15 a month. It's not too bad. Ooh, I like this. C. Melly said, observation is the action or process of observing something carefully in order to gain information, aka collect data, right? Aka to build edge. This is what we do. This is what I am. I'm not a trader. I'm an observer. That's all I do. I'm a hunter. Hunters are observers. Oh yeah, AMP futures. Yeah, they're pretty good. A friend of mine uses them. I've never used them though, so I'm not too sure. Why did you took the buy after the sell on London? Because we were bullish. So we were looking for buys during London, but we wanted to have a buy stop here for this fade, but we missed it, right? Or it didn't give us what we wanted, which was a lower wick. This candle here, we wanted to throw a lower wick, and then we're gonna have a buy stop for these buys, but we didn't get that opportunity. So we remained patient. We let this go. We seen this candle close below the range, and then we took this sell right here, and then we got our bias back to bullish, because we were like, once we closed this sell, when it tapped into this zone here, we were like, let's get out right here, because we don't want to stay in this too long, because we're not bearish, right? We're expecting a support to be formed. So we got out of that position right there, closed full. Next thing you know, a support was formed. We were still pretty bullish. We had a feeling at London Open, right? This is London Open candle, where the volume's coming in, that if we were going to make our move up, that would most likely be during the London Open, right? So that's where we got into this position here. We closed partials right here, and we just rejected. So that was it. So that was why we took the buy. We were expecting price to move up, kind of like we did, you know, in the past. I guess we were waiting for this red folder here to push us up. What in the hell? Do I often enter impulse trades? Anything you see where it says fade is an impulse trade. So, yeah. We do a little impulse. I think we've taken about 100 impulse entries now since about May. May is when we first started introducing the impulse entry back into the playbook. We call it the fade, just happens to be the name that we made up for it. And yeah, taken about 100 since May. So yeah, we do take them quite a bit. Yep. What red folder? This red folder. That the one that happened at 8:30. Hey, I was talking to you today in Raja's chat. You didn't see me? I said, bro, sell now. Sell now. You were in them cells with Raja? Let me find out. Let me find out. You cheating on the TTE streams? I seen you in there. Where's Spence? Spence, I seen you in there. Yeah, we seen Raja took a little 1 hour celery. But guess what? I didn't take it. And that's cool, right? Because I'm my own trader. So same thing goes for you guys. You guys watch me. I've watched Raja for a long time, learned a lot from him, but just because he takes a trade doesn't necessarily mean I take it. You know what I mean? So I didn't really quite agree with his bias, which is fine, right? And didn't take the trade. Imagine that. Some of y'all be going to the streams, stream to stream to stream, like it's Thanksgiving afternoon. You're that guy. You're that cousin that just pulls up to each family member's house, gobble, 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 grab a little plate, and then runs and dips out. Next. Some of you guys are like that. You guys get mad when you come over here. You're like, they're waiting too long. I'll keep them on my other tab. Let me go mess around with these ultra scalpers real quick while we wait for the TTE guy. Funny, right? But true. Funny but true. Funny but true. Hey, Kazi. Kazi, good to see you. There's a different vibe in the clubhouse. There is, brother. There is. What am I looking for at the moment? I am looking for a candle closure in 32 seconds here to see if we can go ahead and potentially fill this wick. 15. The 4 hour candle's closing up here as well. So 15 might pull back. So yeah, this is what I'm looking for right now. On the 15-minute time frame, right? If we can push down one more candle maybe, and then create a support right here, I will be looking to take a buy. Boom. So it'll be that simple. Scott, you got my workout program yet, bud? Scott's got workout programs, chat. I've got a new picture on my vision board. When I grow up, I want to look just like Scott. Yes, George got it too. Scott has inspired a generation with this throwback picture. Dude was cut like Spartan. Dude looked like he got trained by the guy from 300. Yeah, the other thing, so if we're gonna look to take an impulse entry here, the other idea would be this, right? So we come down, right? Maybe we close with no wick at the bottom or something like that. And then the next candle starts driving down too, right? So as we drive down, we start rejecting. We can enter as this candle flips and breaks its own high, or we can let that candle close, or I can let that candle close. And then once the next candle breaks the high, that's my entry, right? And expecting price to at least retest the highs here and then potentially go, you know, further. So that's what I'm looking for. That's my deal. TK. The whole squad's here. Let's go. George VDM. Four hour looking good too, by the way. Like, we really want to see that 4 hour support form there. The squadding, that's right. Sandman. Yo, Sandman is a vibe in the clubhouse. Sandman be pulling up on us in London. Brother, I have no idea what you're saying or trying to say. What in the world? Sometimes I don't see the plays as well and get annoyed. Yeah, I used to do that too all the time. You know, Raja see these plays and be like, how do you see that? You know, and sometimes you just got to accept that the other guy is not better than you or, you know, anything like that. He's just a little bit more down the road. So he's got just a little bit more experience. That's all. Experience really, really does kind of take on an advantage of its own in the markets. So that's all it is, brother. You know, you just more time in the markets will solve that issue. No music in Zoom. Come on. I'll have to report that to Nick Stewart later. What time is it? 9 o'clock. There you go. Should be good. Sandman Pippin dip. Word, Magnus. Hey, you can't knock it. You can't knock it. Nah, Sandman never pips and dips. Sandman's always in the building. Wan Man, that's right. Cool. So yeah, we got a little support down here. Nobody knows nothing. We shoot back up. We anticipate the daily candle flipping, breaking the highs, and moving on to fill that wick here today. Rosenberger. Oh, NAS? Yeah, let's take a look at NAS. Charts for stream? Yes, we could take a look at that too. Yeah, look at this. So this is what I'm anticipating gold to do here. Nice strong bottom wick, flip bullish, and start moving up to fill the wick. Yeah, NAS looks good, man. 4 hour closure puts us in the right direction here. If you can get a bullish closure. 1 hour closed above too. 30 as well. So yeah, if you guys want to take these buys, I mean, you got 930 coming as well. So you should have a lot of volume coming in. Clean range coming up. Let's see. So Scott's pick. Yeah, start. Let's go. What's up, pal family? What's good? What's good? Good morning or afternoon. That's a big fact. We're going to have an awesome webinar this weekend for those of you guys that are in the Clubhouse. Looking forward to it. We should have a lot to talk about based off of last weekend's webinar. And time to nail it down this weekend. We've had the opportunity to really use what we learned last weekend. So we'll talk about it. If you guys have examples that you guys want to go over, just have them prepared for tomorrow, and we'll review some charts and things like that in the webinar. Buy or sell, bro? I don't know, man. You tell me. I'm just a YouTube guy. The traders are in the chat. The traders are trading. I already explained what I'm going to be waiting on here. So if we get that, we get it. That's where I'll be looking to take a buy. But we're going to need this candle to come down. We need it to close. We got to have the other one open up, and we'll see how it goes. But so far, so good. My plan is unfolding. There you go. Both. Just get 2 accounts. Buy on one, sell on the other. Yeah, you guys make passing funded challenges so hard. Just simple, full margin, 2 accounts. Buy one, sell the other. Aha moment. And there it was, the aha moment in my trading career. I was on the live stream. Brilliant. Next thing you know, you're on YouTube ads, Facebook ads. If you guys want to know how to pass a prop firm challenge in just 24 hours, I'm going to teach you everything I've learned over the last couple of years and how to do this and how to do it properly. This will guarantee you to have yourself funded. And when you say guarantee, you got to say it like that. This will guarantee you. Work on it. Work on it in the mirror. Guarantee you. If you ain't hitting it like that, your sales will not be well. What up, Sam, man? What up, what up? You gotta have that enthusiasm. Oh, man. Go back to the stream. Record how I said that. And just work on it, man. Every day. Man in the mirror. We back like we never left. Kind of, bro. Kinda. I haven't left this chair since New York session yesterday. Traders trade, man. Traders trade. Yeah, that's true, Cannon. Yeah. Yeah, everything I joke about has some truth into it, right? It's funny. What up, Ecom Dre? How you doing? Yesterday we did an example. We taught a really good lesson. We used Ecom Dre as the example. I would highly recommend going to check that out. Lots of lessons, lots of knowledge in there. Ecom Dre, thanks for volunteering. You're insanely massive muscular legs. No Diddy. It worked out perfect for our example. Facts. Yeah, you know, the tree trunk guy, yep. Diddy, no Diddy legs? No Diddy legs, man. I tried to put you guys on game buying stock in Johnson & Johnson, but you guys were too busy scrolling, and I was too busy buying stock. I'm telling you, we're not the same, gang. We're not the same. The stock went up. I now own some Johnson & Johnson. What you know about that? #1 company out right now. Hey, Sly, you gotta go to the I think it was like workouts channel, right? Something like that. Fitness channel in Discord. He's there. Oh, let's take a look at NAS. Are we moving our way up or what? Oh my god, M and Q. Oh my goodness, what the heck? Trying. Super clean range here. 4-hour closure in 45 minutes on NAS. Last trade on the live stream, like 2 days ago. Not yesterday, but the day before. We had a nice little winner. Nice little winner. What made me want to start streaming? And did I have a community before? I did not have a community before. I did have a following on Instagram, so I've basically been building like my personal brand online since 2016. So like people knew who I was for the no one really knew, but just the people I had follow me, they kind of knew I was very consistent. I was always posting for years and always making business moves and things like that. So I didn't really have much of a community. I think I had like 4,000 followers on Instagram, which now I have 40,000 followers. So that's how much it's grown over the last like 2 years really. But I just wanted to start streaming. Number one, there was some spiritual reasons, and number two is I've just always had a love for people. You know, I love teaching. I think you know, sometimes when I learn things and I simplify it for myself, I'm really good at teaching it. So we also wanted to help traders in their expectations of what this business model is, right? A lot of traders think they're just going to get in and trading just works like you press buttons and make money, and no one really talks about the losses or any of the day-to-day stuff when it comes to trading. So I really wanted to be able to come up here and share that, the good, the bad, and the ugly. I was already decently successful before starting the live streams, and yeah, just wanted to have some fun. Wanted to you know, show people what was possible and share the gospel all across the world like the Great Commission states. You know, that's my real reason for being here. And I'm not ashamed to say that. You know, my real reason is to fulfill the Great Commission, which is to share the gospel of Jesus Christ all across the world and impact the hearts and the minds of those in attendance, and just let God do his thing. You know, let him work and just be used by God. So I'm not ashamed to say that. We have a lot of fun here, but we're also here for deeper reasons as well. We care about you and your future. We care about your family, and most importantly, we care about your soul. You know, so that's what we're here to do. And we do a little trading too. You know, we're pretty good traders as well, so that helps. Hey, give me 1 sec, chat. All right. All right, so we got a 15 closure, right? So we closed bearish. So if we get this support now, I like these buys to go up, fill that wick, and then potentially continue up, traveling in this range up here. What's up, Buzz Blab? Yo. So 30-minute stops are looking like 52 pips. 15-minute stops, potentially like 30, 35 pips. Maverick's up too, so we might get some volume. We might get some volume. So some of you guys may be thinking about entering off the 30. I don't think it's a bad idea. I have a plan here, right? So I'm gonna wait for that plan to unfold, which was, my plan was for 2 bearish 15-minute candles to reject the zone, another one to close bullish, create support, and then take the buys coming up. Come here, little buddy. Yeah. So it's unfolding candle by candle here. Travis, 9:30 coming. Let's go take a look at NAS as we prepare for the open. What do you think, Maverick? Buy or sell here? Tell the people. Buy it or sell it? Oh, he pressed a space bar. So whatever that means. Anyone have baby talk? Can we translate? Send the signal, buddy. Send the signal. Today's bring your kid to work day. You guys remember that day? Who remembers bring your kid to work day? Spacebar means, hey, spacebar means, what did I say? Full margin? Okay. Yeah, spacebar means full margin. Hey, we got a crazy, crazy hurricane. I think it rained for like 20 minutes. It was wild. What was that, Maverick? What'd you say? Full margin. Full margin. What? Crazy boy. He's gonna try and take my hat from me. He's like, tries to boss around. Okay, go, mommy. Ready? Ready, set, go. Back to mama. All right, greetings from Indonesia. Greetings, my friend. Greetings. Happy Friday to you. It's probably a little later in the day for you, right? Living in the future. Living in the future. Yeah, we were supposed to get a hurricane, but didn't really get much. I know the coast got hit a little bit more. I'm a little bit more inland, so we didn't really get hit too much. A little bit of wind for like a couple hours, some rain, but nothing too crazy at all. Where you at, Tills? Where are you again? Greetings from Malaysia and greetings from Singapore. How are you, my friends? Good to see y'all. Good to see you guys here. TT's coming to London in 2025, and then I think next we go to Asia, somewhere in Asia. World tour in 2025. Yes. TT Bali? Maybe? Australia? Yeah, we definitely gotta make our way over to Australia. We'll pull up on Rafi. We'll meet him in the hut. Don't meet me in the cut, meet me in the hut. That's how the Bali boys talk. So many places to go. We gotta hit that Euro tour, TK. Oh wow, yeah, Fort Myers getting hit. Yeah, I have family in Fort Myers. Yeah, they get hit hard down there. I would wait for Monday. Skyer 7. Just wait on Monday. Yeah, enjoy your weekend. Step back a little bit. And then Monday you go again. Yeah, Hurricane Charlie really hurt Fort Myers. Got hit hard. Oh, Canada? Are you gonna ride a moose? I thought you'd be riding a panda. The moose is cool too. I dig it. Berlin or Hawaii? Oh, Hawaii would be nice. Never been to Hawaii. Let's take a look at this 4-hour candle here. Yeah, 4 hours trying to print support here in about 34 minutes. See, glad we didn't take those buys, right? Just off the 30-minute itself. You know what I mean? Got to be wise in these markets. Even with all the wisdom, you'll still get stopped out. So you got to be careful. Yo, Ecom Dre, man, I don't know what's going on out here. The Matrix is glitching everywhere. What's up, Norbin? You got power back? Yeah, I didn't lose any power. Didn't lose any power. Lights were flickering a little bit, but that was about it. Greetings from South Africa. What's up, Liquidity Hunter? Yo, yo. Can we get a 30 celery here? 30 celery would be, oof, so perfect. So perfect on a day like today. But doesn't look like we're going to have enough time here. Oh my goodness. Lights were quaking. Nah, tea time got rained out. Yeah, tea time got rained out. Yep. So if the candle closed with no wick at the bottom, I'm interested in the fade here, right? We'd have to come down first and then re-break the next candle's high, but I'm still pretty interested. See if we could respect the 30 lows too. That'd be awesome. 1 hour lows are hanging out down here. The tea time, yeah, it's too rainy. Plus, some of the guys that I was gonna play with, their flights got canceled too. Yo, that competition C-Melly was getting real yesterday. Little Scotty Chef. Competition was real. Did my dad make it? Yeah, my dad made it out. Yep. Yeah, thanks for asking. Yeah, he made it. We picked him up the other day, and yeah, he's here for the next 10 days. Man's looking good, too. My man dropped like 50 pounds since I seen him last, which was probably about a year ago. The President's Cup. The President. TT bringing the bell home. Yes, the competition ends today, right? Yeah, today's the 27th. Competition ends today. Do we have any update on the leaderboard there? Maybe we'll get an update here before the end of the stream. We got to take that belt home. We need that. We need that. Give me the belt. It's sunny 24 hours a day in Wakanda land. Yes, that's true. That is true. All right, so if we can kind of push down here, especially break the lows, then come up and re-break this high, I might have a buy stop sitting here. 30-minute as well, closing that support. 15, see if we can make an attempt to break that low there. Yeah, anticipating this candle to flip up, break the high, and close back in the range. Yeah, I'm gonna have a little buy stop here. Little 2 contracts. Gonna have this low as my stop, so 18 pips. And let's see, anticipating that this candle may close back in the range now. Boom. Like that for us to keep moving. Uncle Jerome. Uncle Jerome. Mr. Powell. NASDAQ is bleeding. No way. Damn. We got volume here, ladies and gents. We got volume. Later. Yeah. 9:30 here. All right, yeah, so gonna have a buy stop here. Stop's gonna be about 25 pips. And let's see if we can get it to break the highs and then start to move up and potentially close back above the range here. US 30 pushing up. Let's take a look at US 30 here while we wait. Good old YM, the Dow. Oh, wow, yeah. Lots of volume here at the open. Let's take a look at ES. Yeah, not much volume. Nothing too crazy going on here, but looks like gold, NAS, and US 30 are all kind of moving and grooving here. The EYES indicator. Yeah, exactly. All right, so let's see if we could push through this zone here. We got a lot of wicks in this area, so we'll see if we can push through these wicks. And if we can, this should make for a nice clean move up. Yeah, I'm going to look to probably close partials right around this wick area, right around here. So I'm going to close half of my position here. I'm going to move my stops to BE. And let's see if it can run. Got about 19 there. And we should be able to push out of the zone now. Let's see if we can fill that wick. Looking good, looking good. US 30 did what? Yeah, every day. Yeah, let's do that every day. I only closed partials. I didn't close the full trade yet. My stops are at break even though. Yeah, I think we've seen about 28 pips here. So far so good. Stops are like 18, so we already hit that 1R. Close partials, and now we'll see if this daily candle wants to get ripping here at 9:30. Rip for us. Rip for the TT crew here. Perfect fade. We got to break through these highs now. So partials was taken here because we're in that wick rejection area, right? See the wicks on the 30 minute. So that's why I took partials right there, and then leaving the runner here until this resistance up top. So we'll see if we could blow through these highs, fill that wick, and that'll be the trade for me. Little fade, little fade. Three lots, nice, nice. I had 2 lots there, so I had 2 contracts there. Just playing with some profits from earlier today. And yeah, right at 9:32. So that's what we were expecting. We were trying to make that move at 9:30, and we didn't get the actual confirmation, but we got the fade, right? This candle. What did we do? We did what we do for every fade, right? We waited for the top wick. We waited for it to come down, attempt to fill the wick, break the low. Once it broke the low, added the buy stop, and now our idea is that this candle here will close back in the range, and then that will set the tone for the next couple candles to move up. Right? Makes sense? So there was a reason, like, you know, we didn't take like this fade. Where was it? Right here, right? Because we never got that wick down. So that wick down is very important. So remember when I was telling you guys we wanted the fade here, right? We couldn't get it because we just didn't get that wick down. But here we did, and that's why we executed. And we should, if we break this high here, we should be good to continue moving north. Gold to the moon. We'll see. We'll see. Looking good. 1 hour getting ready to flip here. Hopefully we can break the highs and start ripping. Lots of volume. There we go. Breaking this, coming up to this 1 hour high now. Can we flip? Can we flip? W, yeah, W trade. On to the next. Well, first let's enjoy this one. Let's see if we can get our runner to work here. If I had another contract to close, I'd probably close some right there on that 1 hour. But I only got one left, so I'm gonna leave it. We should flip up here and break the highs. There we go. Yeah, I'm gonna trail stops here as well. Yeah, you know what? I'm actually closing full right there. Boom. I'm out. 900 on the day. That sets me up for a lovely week. Lovely end to the week. I need about $400 to pass this combine. Yeah, we're good right there. Lovely trade, gang. Good trade. Good trade. Because if we don't break that 15 high, we may reject it. But I think that we should be able to flip bullish here and keep going. Almost blew my account. No. No, 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 no. Don't do that. Great trade. Great trade. That was a good read, too. Good read on the market there. I think I got total about 40 pips. Congratulations to those who took it. W closure. Right as we approach that 15 minute, doesn't get much saucier and colder than that. Let's go, Sly. Good stuff, brother. Good stuff, good stuff. 40 pips. Nice, guys. 40 pips. Beautiful. Yeah, it looks like everyone got about 40 there. Nice. Same here. About 40. All right. On to the next trade. Got in a little earlier. Ooh, 44. Let's go. Yeah, give me a like now. Give the stream a like if you took that trade. You can pip and dip, but don't dip without giving the stream a like. Go enjoy your weekend. Don't hang out with me any longer. $254 likes. If you took it, give it a like. How many people made money here today? Just 254? Yo, what up, Swifty? What's good, what's good? Big WC Melly. Good work, man. Everybody understand that trade. My most important piece here is that the fact that you understand the entry and the exit. I mean, that exit, that's a bad man exit right there. Chat, that's a bad boy exit, man. That's cold right there. That's cold. That was the last day I needed for my first payout. Let's go. W, bro. W. That's that's some mad scientist stuff right there. J Mac. Yeah, if you guys have some questions on it, let's talk about it. Let's go, DJ Scratchers. Good work, man. We working, brother. We working. Yes, exactly. The entry that we got the exit that we got was the entry for many buyers. So last year we would have been waiting for that, right? Z Gamer, that might have been us last year waiting for that entry up here. But because we developed a better read, got some experience, understood the impulse ideas, worked on the fade, learned the fade, sample size the fade, took wins on the fade, took losses on the fade, began to understand how to use it properly, that gets us 40 pips now, versus just slipped in and, straight to stop loss. It's a big difference maker. So yeah, let's see if we would have hit break even on this. Yeah, I'll explain the trade. Yep. Okay, cool. Yeah, let's explain the trade here. So this trade was pretty much based off of my idea of the fact that we needed a new support to form, right? So I like the bullish idea. We've been extremely bullish on gold, right? We spent all Asian session, all London session developing this bottom wick here, right? So we're looking for opportunities to potentially get new supports and continue buying back up, right? So if we look here at the 15-minute, because this is really where the idea started developing from. So you had a 4-hour closure, right? So 4-hour candle pulls back. You get your 4-hour closure on Oanda, right? The next one needs a bottom wick that's formed, and then this is the one that pops up. So the idea was we're anticipating that on the 15-minute, we should get a fake out, right? Now, we don't know where the candle is going to move to. We just believe that this candle, right, if it breaks the low and then comes up and breaks the high at 9:30, that you can get a support formed. Now, I see somebody asked, why does it have to break the low? Great question. So the reason we wanted to break the low is because we know that sellers are sitting right there, right? We know that there's a lot of sell stops sitting right there, and then up here between probably really between like here and here, guess what's there? Lots of money and stop losses, right? Lots of liquidity. So you break that low, all the sellers get in, this candle wicks up, stops them all out, and then price either moves back up or just continues, or moves back down or just continues moving up to start the daily time frame, you know, flipping and doing all that. But the reason I closed where I closed was that 1 hour flip here just happened to be the previous 15-minute candle. So I know that if we don't break that high, we're going to reject from it, right? So that's why I decided to close full right there, get out of there. Even if the 1 hour was going to flip, that's a-okay. I got what I was looking for here today. And yeah, all in all, it's good. We never did break that high. We did reject it. So it's pretty, makes me look good here today. But you know, some days price will push up, and you know, on those days you'll be in the chat saying, Nick, you closed too early. You know what I mean? These days you say, Mick, yeah, you're sniper exit. You know what I mean? So you can't always be, you know, have the perfect ins and outs, but yeah, you can go based off of market structure, candlesticks, make your, you know, your decisions that way, entries and exits. So that was it. Just a simple fade. Waited for the low to break, rebroke the high. That was the entry. Volume coming in, come up. 1 hour looking bullish, but never stayed that way. So yeah, we would have hit break even there. So that was a incredible exit. Incredible exit. Great way to shift our entries from one to another. Yeah, so that's growth right there. You know what I mean? That's growth. And the cool part about it is we all grew together in that space, right? So I didn't grow without you guys. You know, a lot of you guys have been with me now for the whole stream history, right? So we've all been able to grow together, and that's why we created the atmosphere here. Let's see here. 15-minute close below. If we do we get a valid entry? Yeah, so I would leave this zone here for liquidity and fake outs. You know, the sells are not hot at all. Like, remember, we're back in this 4 hour rejection zone, right? So I had a lot to do with why we were taking buys as well, expecting that the 4 hour would launch here, right? But it doesn't look like it's trying to launch. Yeah, so we're pulling back now. So anything in this zone here is just, in my opinion, chalked. This is all bad news here. I have a question on futures. What best time frame to use for trading, and also how many pips is better for stop loss? So it's always going to be a little different, Jin. You know, just like me, every trade I take is a little different. It's a little different TP, a little different stop loss. There's really no difference in futures than there is in Forex. So yeah, I was always like, I don't want to go to futures. It's so much different, but to be honest, it's exactly the same outside of the price numbers and, you know, like I said, some slippage and spreads and things like that. But yeah, it's always going to be different. It's always going to be unique. So stop losses, I wouldn't say they go according to pips. I would say they go according to structure. And what I mean by that is if we're entering on this current candle, you want to keep your stop loss under structure, right? So let's say under here is probably your best bet. And let's just, for example, say that was 25 pips, you know? So that's where I would put it. One day that might be 25, another day that might be 15, another day that might be 45, you know? So, or you can use the current low. These are usually my two stop loss options. And again, the pips will always vary, so it'll always be different. Money exit, man. Money exit. I'm proud of that one. Proud of that one. Going to the weekend, happy about that. Have we released a new playbook? We dropped the playbook 2.0 video. So if you haven't checked that one out yet, that's the newest one that I dropped. And that's going to be on the YouTube channel. Yeah, right here. Yeah, so this was the new playbook video. If you guys haven't seen this one yet, go check this one out. This was I uploaded this 3 months ago, so pretty recent. This is a 45-minute breakdown of my entire playbook from A to Z, and I think you'll get a lot out of it. Most of you that we come up with a updated version of the playbook. As many of you guys know, we do have a original video that we recorded about the playbook and everything about it, but this is going to be the updated version. You know, it's been about over a year now since we really updated this, and a lot has changed. A lot has remained the same. So we want to talk about that. We want to talk about the importance of a playbook, the mentality of a playbook. Yeah, we go through the mentality. We go through technicals, the reason behind having it, and you know, the adjustments and the tweaks that, and all the little tweaks and adjustments that I made over the last year that has really put me in a position, gang, to have the best year of my trading career. Yeah, this one is the best year I've had so far. Video is gonna be a classic. Wait till it's like retro. Yeah, so I would check this one out. I'll throw the link in there for you guys. Very, very good video. If you have the time, it was only supposed to be like a 20-minute video, but you know, once we get going, we get going. So ended up being 43 minutes, and it's jam-packed. I will not waste your time in this video. Promise you that. It's not going to be this big spiel. It starts off with blah, 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 all this stupid stuff, right? Straight to the point, jam-packed from the moment it opens to the moment it ends, with applicable information for you to take and apply into the markets. All right, Buzz Blab. Hey, did we ever get the head count, or not the head count, the leaderboard? By the way, gang, we're doing a TT meetup here in Tampa, Florida on October 25th. If you guys are in town, around town, or want to be in town, let me know. We're getting a head count. I think we're going to probably have a good idea of how many people are coming by the end of the weekend. So if you guys really feel like you are going to come, let us know. There's a chat here in Discord. It's called Meetups right here. By the way, gang, this still freaking blows my mind. Like, where's Wiz Buddha now? And who was it, Mr. Mac? Where you guys at now? Do you have 956 now? Because that would be just creepy. But yeah, if you come over here, it looks like we've got 28 people that are confirmed that they want to come. So let us know if you want to be there, and that way we have a head count and we know what to expect. Oh, there's my son, Wiz Buddha. Oh, sorry, Wiz Buddha. You started it, bro. Yo, what's your P&L looking like, G? Don't tell me 956. 870, 28, slides close. Slides close. If you're in the Clubhouse and you traded Asian, London, and New York with us, how much money are you up for the day? You guys gotta be up. I'm up. You guys gotta be up. If I'm up, most likely you guys are up. How much money y'all make today? I'm up 4K in the last 2 days. Holy. 930, 397. Oh, nice. What do we got here? Looking good, bro. Looking good. Up 471 on the week. 670 for the day. Nice, nice. So you're saying to trade 24 hours a day? Yes. Yes. 419, $1 away from 420 there, bands counted up. Let's see. 930, 397, 419, just made 300, nice. Up 40, beautiful. Haven't taken a trade, it was down 4K. Now I'm up 700, nice, nice, beautiful. Good work. Good work, good work. 4% in 2 days, beautiful. Traders next door, man. It's good to have you in the clubhouse, bro. My man with the bull. We got the same bull. 3% today. W, George. Wow, went from negative 6% to BE in 3 days. Let's go. Yeah, it's been a good week here. Been a good week. Red day on Monday, but other than that, I set up to say, hey, I want to... I came from... Basically, I had a red day Friday and a red day Monday. So this week, I really wanted to get green back on the board. Just take it easy. Tuesday just happened to do really well. And this is not me. This is just like the system, right? The system will get you in a drawdown, take you out of drawdown, bring you in a profit. You just got to trust the playbook, you know, your playbook, your system. Just trust it. Went up 1K yesterday, lost 1K today. That's how the game goes in trading. So remember, it's all about, anyone can make money in trading, but it's all about keeping the money. Who can keep it, right? Who can actually keep it? So that's what we're trying to teach you guys how to do, train you guys how to view the markets like professionals, because professionals keep money, you know. Amateurs and gamblers, they typically give it back. What's up, Space Cadet? How you doing? Hope you have a great, blessed weekend as well, my friend. Yeah, so we don't want to trade 24/7, right? We don't want to turn into trading zombies. But, you know, you could be a hunter, right? So each session, you know, you come in for a little bit. Or I was saying in the clubhouse today, like, don't trade London if you don't normally trade London. Just because we're there. You know, if you end up waking up in the middle of the night and coming in for a little late night snack like C. Melly did the other day, and we just happen to have buy stops, then, you know, take the trade with us. And that's the point of the clubhouse, is not for you to be in there all the time and for you to over trade, but it's for that door to be open so that anytime you're just hanging out and you want to swing by, you can come on by, hang out with some professionals. My trades? These are all my trades, pretty much. Yeah, these are all like one contract, so sometimes I add contracts in, so that's why you see it like that. Only really went heavy on about 3 trades here. 10 lots on this one, 10 lots on this guy, and 10 lots on that guy, which that was a break-even trade. 10 lots on here helped me out, put me up 1,500 on that trade. 10 lots here helped me out. So every time I sized up, it was a good decision, right? Because the conditions were probably in my favor. So I sized up on those trades. So that's what we talk about. You know, the pros, they know how to keep a steady position size, when to size down, and then obviously when to size up when conditions are favorable. Today's trades. Today, how do you see today? Right here, right? Yeah, here's today's trades. So these are just one contracts, you know what I mean? So something there for 10 bucks. I don't know what that was. That might have been one of my B's. Oh, nice, Josh. The funded trader, huh? The funded trader. They're doing giveaways now. Man. The Funded trade, that throws it back. What broker are they using now? Yeah, fax bands counted up. Good work, good work. Tills, all good, brother. All good. We'll see you in the future. In the future. So yeah, no buys for me here because we are below the range. So no buys for me, no sells for me. Definitely not interested in sells here. So really nothing. Let's get rid of this. Let's oh, they're using Vantage. Oh, nice. What do you mean give us what to do? What do you mean? What do you mean by that? Tell us now what to do. What do you mean? Tell me now what I do, or give me as the plan for now. You mean like top-down analysis? We could do a fresh top-down. Please request me. Okay, I request you. What do I request you for? Would you like to come up here and do a top-down analysis in front of the lovely people? This guy been saying nonsense all stream. I like nonsense because then I just ask logical questions and then Homer Simpson just comes out. I do that in life all the time. Because you know what? You know what I know? I know the strangest secret. And I know that most men don't think. They act, but don't think. They speak, but don't think. So I like to hit them with some logic and just hear the answers. It's pretty fun. Please deliver me. He needs some time off? All right, we'll give him some time off while we do the top-down analysis. If you would like to come up and do the top-down analysis for the lovely people here. Anybody want to volunteer to do a top-down analysis? Anyone? Anyone in Clubhouse? Can you do a quick one for NQ too? Yeah, we'll do a quick one for NQ as well. Yeah, we'll do a quick one. Man's name. Sky Green. Yo, don't get Green upset, man. Just don't do it. Don't do it. All right, let's do it here. So let's do a fresh top-down analysis, and let's get the day. Yo, chat. Forgive me, man. Let's get the day started here. What do you say? What do you say? Hey, why don't we just stream all day? You guys down? Let's get this day started, all right? So taking a look at the daily, all right? We got a bullish daily candle here. So it doesn't look like this daily candle wants to flip, to be honest. Looks like we're struggling up here, and there's a very strong resistance here. You see the wick, and then you also see this level of resistance there, right? So the 4 hour is getting ready to potentially break these lows. I do not personally like sells here on this Friday. If we want to drive through all this, that can be done without me today. I have no problem letting it all go. But let's go ahead and see where could we potentially take sells from. So if I was to take any sells today, it would be below this range right there. Other than that, I don't really care for them. If anything, we might look for more buys, more fake outs. See how price comes down, right? And then starts moving up. Price comes down, starts moving up in this zone. So that would be the next zone I'd potentially look for in terms of buys, right? Because you may see the 4 hour push down here, but then just like every other 4 hour candle to the left, it always pulled back. See how it kept pulling back, pulling back, pulling back, pulling back? That's why I'm not going to take any sells until we get below that 30 closure here, right here. Right, too much rejection to this area. So we'll see what happens when we come down, if we come down towards that support. And if we do create support like we did here and here, then I would look to potentially have another buy going in. But other than that, sells are chalked. Don't want to touch those. 15 minute, yeah, I think this zone is an important zone here. So if we can come down, retest it, and then show some bullish signs, then I might be looking for more buys. But other than that, just chilling. No sells, no buys for now. Potential buys, potential fake out for buys here. I'm gonna keep it simple on this lovely Friday here. Don't try and do too much. Did we get the leaderboard or no? Do we got a leaderboard? Shelly Nation in the building. What up, Shelly? Have a good weekend, brother. You too, man. You too. Later. I'm holding sell since 2600. Closed 40% in loss. What should I do? Damn, man. Damn. Why you gotta hit me with that? First thing I would do is not say take sells now in the chat. That's the first thing I would do. Second thing I would do is go back to the trade you actually planned, right? Where is it valid to? So you should have a stop loss on there. And then you should say, hey, where is my stop, right? So if you don't have a stop, that's the first issue, is there's no stops, right? So I think if you're holding sells from 2650, where's 2650? Is that on Oando or is that on Oando, right? Send me a little chart. Send me a chart. Send me your trade. Send me your chart in Discord. Go to charts for stream. Do we have anything in charts for stream here today? Let's take a look. Charts for stream. Oh, there we go. My bad. My charts for stream was minimized. Damn. Yeah, if you can send a chart, that'd be great. Let's see. We got some charts in here. Oh, we got a leaderboard. We got an update leaderboard. Let's take a look. So here we have it. Here we have it. So this guy, I guess, is supposedly TTE, but he's in ASFX. He's in it. 20% top, or actually 33%, but 20% here. Yeah, looking good. 17, 16, 14, 12. Nice job, guys. Mateo is I guess Austin's top dog here, who's up 11.2%. So we did really well. Buzzblab in the house. Let's go, Buzzblab. 9.5% W. Oh, Jaguar's here. Hey, yo. Sam. Son. What? Let's go. Let's go. W. So yeah, look, we do well here, right? We put up bigger percentages, doing well. These guys are all, right around that 5 to 10%, and I think we're more so that like 10 to 15% on average. So good work, gang. Unfortunately, this guy's TTE. He's representing. I'm gonna wait for charts for stream so I could put one up. Oh yeah, let's get back to charts for stream. Let's see. Okay, so we got what is this here? So we got buys taken. All right, price rejected the level there. Okay, perfect. Engulfing candle. Waited for bottom wick to form. Next candle. Took it on the break of the current candle highs. Lovely. Partials taken. Trailing stop loss. Beautiful. Great trade. Yeah, you definitely want to take partials in that area because that's your resistance level right there. So perfect. Good trade, good trade. Let's take a look at this one. So we got a 4-hour tap target, 1-hour tap target, 30-minute tap target. Okay. Rejection candles, beautiful. Secured 10 pips because the market was choppy and I was also the last day of the week. Okay, great. Great, great, great. Good trade. Great idea. You're anticipating the fake out. You have this exhaustion wick, inverted type of celery. You take the fade, impulse entry on the break of the highs. Beautiful job. Great work, great work. There's Ecom Dre's chart. Let's take a look, Ecom Dre. Sell stops here, targeting the wick fill to downsize and further, to the downside and to further down to 78. Okay, as full TP. All right, target wick fill in the 4-hour move stops to BE. Close full at wick fill. Very nice. Conservative play due to many heavy support levels. Yes, yeah, sells were a bit tough today. Example, activated my sell stop, but closed with no bottom wick. Still drove to fill the wick, but was risky. Next time, wait for the candle closure. Perfect. Good work, bro. Good work. Good work. Ecom Dre. Great markup. Yeah. Yeah, these are good markups. If any of you guys ever want me to review trades, or if you guys are planning on joining the elite program, take good notes on how these guys mark up their charts, and they make it very easy to understand, to take a look at, to examine. Yeah. Andreas cooking. Yeah, word. Good work. Later, DJ Scratches. Time to tend to some more business. I think you're right, bro. I agree. I agree. If you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like here today. I think that'll do it for me. Yeah, we're probably gonna range a little bit here. Probably settle into the afternoon session with the Clubhouse, go over a couple things, and then probably wrap it up and get ready to enjoy the weekend. Yes, sir. It's been a great week with you guys. We had a really productive one. I think all the streams this week were top-notch streams. So if you got time this weekend, or if you want to make time this weekend, go back and rewatch the streams, speed them up, so you don't have to sit through the whole entire stream, and take some good notes. Take some good notes. For those of you guys in the Clubhouse, we'll see you this weekend for the webinar tomorrow at 11 a.m. Eastern. If you guys can't make it, the webinars will be recorded, so you guys can rewatch it later. And yeah, I think we are good to go. What's my favorite book of the Bible and why? Man, that's such a hard question for me, Ace. I don't really have a favorite book. I do really enjoy studying the book of Acts because it gives me an opportunity to see how these men have allowed their faith and allowed the Holy Spirit to act in them and through them to go out and fulfill the mission, which is the Great Commission, in which I am in the process of living out and working myself. So I like the book of Acts. Very good book. Very enjoyable book. Yeah. All right. I'm out of here. Go dream build this weekend a little bit. If you haven't touched your dream in a bit, you want to go do that. If I asked you, how does it feel to be a millionaire, and you say, I don't know, then I'm going to tell you, then you'll never be one, just like my mentor told me. So go out and feel your goals this weekend. Go out and touch them, smell them. If you have something extra and you see someone in need, go give a helping hand wherever you can. And let's make the world a little bit of a better place, man. All right. Love y'all. Have a great weekend. Blessings. Congrats to all you guys that made profits here this week. And keep them. Don't get rid of them Friday. Keep them. Don't let Pac-Man come out. We'll see you guys on Monday. Let's walk up out of here. Love y'all. Hope you have a great day. Enjoy the weekend. We'll see you tomorrow. Peace.
Get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah. Walk. walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk. Whoa, I was chasing my glory, then fell asleep. Woke me up and told me to go feed the sheep. Sent me deep in the streets just to bring them peace. Yeah, we be where them blickies be bustin', where they end your life with no discussion. But as soon as they see the light rushing, they know that the Lord walking with us, no bluffing. People say that I'm fake, I'm like, okay. Do you walk in the light or you throw shade? 1 more sex on my skin, I got no shame. We was preaching about Jesus before fame. Get it? Did that. On my side, yeah, he been that. That's the devil where my sins at. On the cross, cause he pinned that. Big throne where he sits at. Death hit him, then he hit back. Resurrected, yeah, that's big facts. Told us hold it down till he get back. Get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah, walk with me. Step in the scene with the fly, had to keep it so steady, don't fall for the fast. Had to cut out the session, he got in the crop. Hold up, spiritual weapons when miracles happen. I'm never surprised cause it got. Ain't serving no Hannah Montana, ain't switching my banner like David, we swinging the rock. We kicking this beating, why serve you sure? Even if it mean I'm bleeding. Come kill my flesh, my soul still breathing. Speak through me, yeah, yeah. This heart keep beating, these lungs keep singing. Come and step into the kingdom, for the ones mistreated. To the day we see them. This feel like the moment we seeking, the day we can sing up the water, get freedom to walk. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk, get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah. Walk, 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 walk. Let's go. Walk, 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 walk. We walk.
Say it's holy, can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion, you don't kid me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river, just wanna get what you give it. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit, I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me, yeah. Ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace, yeah. Hey, hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins, for me he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Yeah, I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it, I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it, I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death, I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father, I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah, say it and it's done. Breakthrough, Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you. And that cross couldn't break you. Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. Oh, yeah. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Sweep me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame.